Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make email templates with Gmail. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So having templates that is readily available to us is actually a pretty helpful thing. So if you want to send a email rapidly without thinking and you just want to use a template to make things a lot easier, well, it's actually possible in Gmail. But the thing here is Gmail doesn't have that feature yet. So for us to solve that, we need to install a plugin or an app. So at the top right of your screen, you should see an extension option here. Click on it, and from here, click on Manage Extensions. Now from here, click on Chrome Web Store. And from here, what we need to do is we need to search for the email templates extension. So in this case, let's go ahead and just say email template here and just press on enter. And from here, you should be able to see Gmail email templates by Cloud HQ. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, click on add to Chrome. So it's going to start the installation process, but once it actually installs, we'll be able to start using it. Now here, go ahead and click on add extension. Now in here, it's going to welcome us into the email templates by Cloud HQ. Now in this case, it's going to give you a quick overview on how to use it, but for now, let's go ahead and skip this part. Now in this case, how do you start using it? So at the top right, you should be able to see a Cloud HQ Gmail apps icon. So if you click on it, you'll be able to view the interface for Cloud HQ. So we have the email template section here. So if you click on it, you'll be able to do the following, which includes browsing templates, merging tags, go to your dashboard, or go to help and support. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on browse templates. And from here, you might get this pop up here. So oops, you've been logged out. So just click on log back into HQ. And from here, what we need to do is we need to wait for Gmail to refresh itself so that you'll be able to log in. Now in here we have different tabs. So we have the free templates tab, the my templates tab here, MailChimp, HubSpot, and Gmail drafts. Now in this case, if you go to my templates here, you need to authorize Google Drive. So let's go ahead and authorize Google Drive here. And here choose our email account or our Gmail account. And in here, let's just go ahead and click on allow. Now, once we go back into the Browse Templates UI, you'll be able to start creating your templates. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on New Template here, and we have two options. So we have the text-only email templates or the HTML-designed email templates. So there are actually a perk on using HTML-designed email templates, wherein you'll be able to basically increase the aesthetics of your email. So in this case, we want to choose HTML designed email templates. Click on create, and from here it's going to create our template. And from here it's going to load up another tab wherein we'll be able to edit our template or our HTML template here. So there are multiple things that you could do here. Like for example, if you hover on certain section here, you'll be able to move them around. As you can see, we'll be able to change a few things. Like for example, I want to drag it in here. And as you can see, we were able to move our section. So in this case, if you want to reverse that, just click on the undo button here and you'll be able to reverse the changes that you made. Now, if you want to edit a specific section, you could go ahead and just click on it, and this right section should now appear on your screen. So depending on what you select here, you'll be able to edit a few things or certain things on that element. Like for example, we have the auto width here, and you'll be able to set the percentage, the image URL, or you could go ahead and upload your own image here as well. Now we also have the alternate text here, so in case this image doesn't load, we have the text here. Now we also have the image link if you want that. So in this case, it's going to open up a website here. So URL, and the target here is a new tab. Now we also have the general options here, so which includes the padding for top, left, right, and bottom. So we also have the responsive design option. So in this case, if you actually enable the option here that says hide on desktop, so whenever we go to desktop, it's going to hide that specific element. So for example, if you turn this on, this will actually be hidden. Now in this case, we want to turn that off. And from here, if you want to change the view on your UI here, just click on the mobile option here. And as you can see, it is now in mobile. So in this case, we want to go ahead and add other sections or other things into our template. So in this case, we have the columns here, headings, text, image, button, divider, HTML, and menu. So for columns, if you add this one, for example, I want to add a column here, we'll be able to add our content. So in this case, for desktop, we want to switch over to desktop first, and we'll be able to specify the number of columns that we want here. Now in this case, we have column 1, column 2, and column 3. We'll be able to change the background color, the padding, the border, and the row properties here as well. Now in here, let's go back into our editor. And in the editor here, we will be able to add different sections. Like for example, we want to add a image on the center here. For now, let's go ahead and click on upload image. And from here, choose an appropriate image and just click on open. Now, in this case, we could go ahead and just wait for the upload, but what it's actually uploading, you'll be able to change a few things as well. So alternate text, URL, and a lot more. Now, if you want to edit the text itself within the email template here, you could go ahead and just highlight them, and you could go ahead and just type anything that you want. Now, once you are satisfied, what you need to do here is just click on the save at the top left here, and your template should now be saved. Now, if you want to start using your template, what we need to do here is we need to compose a new email. So at the top left here, click on compose. And from here, we have the option to add the to or who we want to send this email. Now, in this case, for us to use the template that we recently created, just click on insert template here. Go to my templates, choose your template here. And from here, it's going to download our template. And as you can see, and in here, we'll be able to edit the template again. So again, we have different options like adding additional elements before sending this email. But in this case, if you are now sure, you could go ahead and just click on the send button here. So just to give you an example, I'm going to send this to myself. So let's go ahead and type in our email here and just click on send. And it's going to send that, and as you can see, we immediately receive that email. So we'll go ahead and open that up, and as you can see, this is the email template that we just edited. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.